Hey everybody, welcome to another info segment with Joy Anthology. Today's segment is on creating an event with a past date. Now, you might be wondering why someone would want to do that. Well, we've had a lot of inquiries as to how you do that and can you do that, and the answer is yes. And why would you want to do it? Well, there's a couple really great reasons. Number one, what if you know of someone who just got married within the last 6 months to a year and you just discovered Joy Anthology and you think it would be an amazing wedding gift? That's an amazing idea. The other that we've had inquiries about is anniversaries. You want to do it for a 25th, 30th, 40th, or 50th wedding anniversary, and you think it would be an amazing gift for your parents, aunts, uncles, whomever. So those have been the top two reasons why you would want to do it. So we're going to get into it because it's been a little confusing and it's been a little bit of a panic, because you're going to discover when you customize your event, which here, we're just going to go ahead and go back, and when you go to customize your event, you're going to see what the issue is. So you designed your canvas, you did your profile, you configured the event, right? And you said, well, we got mom and dad's picture in there. Their wedding date was May 9th, 1951. You told them what you wanted to tell them, be a part of our day, whatever. Great, you saved it. You're all excited. Now you're ready to start doing participation. And you realize that when you would text the event code, it didn't work. And you can't even access it yourself. Well, it's because it's a past date. So don't panic. Here's what you're going to do. All you're going to do is you're going to choose any future date. And again, I can't type and talk at the same time. So we're going to go with May 9th, 2020. Let's do that. Oh, and look, guest participation then appears. Awesome. Now you're going to think, well, it's going to have the wrong date. It's cool. No one sees the date. The date only appears when you go to edit. So when people text the event code to the telephone number, they're just going to see this. They're going to say, oh, look, there's Gib and Joanne. Or, oh, look, that's mom and dad. They're going to come down. They're going to do their entries. They're going to enter their image. And we can even do one just for fun. Oh, let's do Aunt Julie and Uncle Dave. And by the way, let's see again. I can't talk and type at the same time. Julie and Dave. Booyah. There they are. Send. Yeah. So cool. All right. So I totally lost my train of thought because it was so awesome doing that. But yes, you can. Oh, I know what I was going to tell you. If you have to do all the images yourself, if you're doing the project yourself, create yourself a magical little folder, put all of the entries in there, and also with their names, because that way when you go to enter, like for Josh, Connie, and Elise, that's always a fun one. Well, when you have the names there, you can just simply enter them. So then when you're all done, you've sent the message out for everyone to do their entries. You've sent the number and the text code, whatever. You then, oh my gosh, those guys are so darn cute. You then can go back when you're ready. You've got all of your entries. You've got everything in there. You're ready to now review, because now you're thinking, well, great, I can't review my canvas. You're going to go back into configure your date, and you're going to actually then type in the one. Again, I can't talk, Aunt Bob Saget. May 9th. There we go. 1951. Okay, May 9th, 1951. That's what we want. We're saving it. Now we can review our canvas. All right, cool. Now, here's just a little tip or hint, which I think would be really cute to do. If you haven't watched one of our other segments, I'm going to tell you now that there's a little tip trick that you'll want to know. for positionings. This entry right here is number 98. This entry right here is number 99. Now, number 99 doesn't move. That's cool. That's fine. That can be right there. You can use that spot for what we're going to do, or you can do number 98. Number 98 is really significant because it moves. So here's what you want to know. It moves, right? So here's what I would suggest you do if you want to. Let's see. That was down here. You also notice that we hid some. Here, sorry, let's go back up. And I don't mean to make everyone vomit, but that's the way it is. All right, we have 107 entries. Right now we have 102 displayed, which we need to hide some to get it down to 100. But right now, if we wanted to, let's hide some of the other ones. Let's see, for now, just for fun, sorry, Josh, we're going to hide you guys. We're going to hide Milo number 2. And we already have Aunt Julie and Uncle Dave. So let's see where we at. We are at, oh, well, we can have Aunt Julie and Uncle Dave back if we want. Here, we'll put them right there. We're going to do that. Okay, so now we're going to count, find number 98, right? So all the ones that are hidden don't count. So that's going to be 99. This one's going to be 98, and that's cool. It's a duplicate, so then we can just edit that one. And then that one's, oh wait, no, sorry, 100, 99, 98. I'm so sorry. Yes, sometimes I can count, sometimes I can't. So we're going to change this one because we want this one to be Mom and Dad. So we can, and if you want to do a different image, you certainly can, but for demonstrations, we're using this one. So this, we're just going to do us on our wedding day, because that one's already there to fill, and I can't type and talk at the same time, which you have all figured out. All right, here we go. So cool. So let's see if we did it right. Yep, there's Mom and Dad on their wedding day. So now, again, you can choose to keep it there, or you can have the birds removed, and they can be right there. And I think that is just the coolest gosh darn feature that you can do. So now you have edited, and even at this point too, you can change anything and everything. It's still your opportunity to customize and do whatever you want to with your canvas for them. But it's there. The dates have been updated and saved. All the entries are there. And it's really cool. And at this point in time, all you would do would be to click and submit to print. Well, that's another great episode of Joy Anthology info. And we created a past event. We had fun with it. It wasn't difficult and it wasn't stressful. Okay, so like always, if you have any questions, send us a message. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. To learn more about our amazing product and even purchase it, go to joyanthology.com. Thanks, everybody. Joy out.